What's up everyone, welcome back guys. So today we're going to make this 2020 KTM 300 XCW TPI 6 days, it's too long. We're going to make it legal to ride on US Forest Service or National Forest and BLM land by replacing the silencer. Stay tuned for that. Welcome back everyone. So before we jump into this silencer install, if you guys aren't already subscribed, please hit the subscription button. Really helps us out. Also, if you guys want to help the channel out, there is a link in the description as well that allows you to buy your dirt bike gear and your parts through the Rocky Mountain ETV link, and we get a small kickback, so thanks in advance. Okay, so we're replacing it with FMF. So this is an FMF Turbine Core 2.0, and it's been pretty difficult to find any silencer exhaust systems for any dirt bikes lately. It's been pretty tough. So I ended up picking up one of these Turbine Core 2.0s from FMF, and it has a US Forest Service approved spark arrestor in it. Alright guys, I've been saying the Turbine Core 2.0. It's a 2.1. You can see the spark arrestor down in there. Alright guys, so this is a silencer that has a USFS spark arrestor in here. So what does that mean? So it means that this basically is approved by the Forest Service to be able to ride on the single track that is designated for dirt biking. The OEM silencer on pretty much all manufacturers do not come with a Forest Service approved spark arrestor, which blows my mind that they don't include that on all of their hard enduro bikes and even trail bikes. Like, they should come stock with the Forest Service approved spark arrestor in there. Now, FMF claims that this Turbine Core 2.1 has a turbine in there so it doesn't get clogged up with oil like a normal screen does, because sometimes a screen spark arrestor screen will get clogged up. And basically what it is to catch any hot oil, hot metal, flames, any chunks of the, that's flying out that's going to start a forest fire. That screen is going to catch it. And that also means that the screen's going to catch all the oil, junk, and so sometimes they get clogged and you have to take them out and clean them. I'm going to do a first start, a cold start. Like, guys, it's like 25 degrees right now, and it's May 21st. This is like, my hands are freezing. There's frost on the ground. But anyway, enough about that. Let's get and do some cold starts and see this thing smoke.